Now introducing the Mini EMP Defender, an IP68 rated device, meaning not only is it waterproof to a depth of 5 feet, but it is also dust, dirt, sand, and shock protected. It is equipped with a unique 3-stage protection system that prevents damage due to EMPs, electromagnetic pulses, which are bursts of high energy from man-made or natural sources, ESD, electrostatic discharges, similar to the shock you receive when walking across carpet and touching a metal object, and CMEs, coronal mass ejections, which are solar flares sent out from the sun containing plasma and magnetic field material. It is a small device, about half the size of a cell phone, with a simple 2-wire installation. Available in different models to protect electrical systems from 9 to 48 volts. Applications include automotive, boat, RV, ATV, UTV, drones, motorcycles, two-way radios, and many other DC-powered devices. Visit us at badwolfusa.com.